So, little Vader, you finally met your match! Now, it's time for you to die. Vader. What you gotta take out your lightsaber. What are you doing? Well, how are we supposed to have a fun Star Wars Day lightsaber battling if you don't even take it out? Me, I'm Darth Sexy. I'm a sexy Sith. I'm a good-looking Sith. I thought I'd bring a little bit of flavor to the dark side for once, okay? Yeah, I know I gained like a pound or two since last May the 4th, but whatever, come on, man. I just thought we could have a good May the 4th and have some fun and... Alright, you know what, you're just... You're not even fun. What am I doing? This is stupid.